Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Jyothy Labs. Our analyst retains a buy on Jyothy Labs with a revised price target of Rs 375. The stock trades at 37 times FY24 earnings and 30 times its FY25 estimated earnings. Consistent earnings growth visibility and relatively stable valuation make it a good pick in the small to mid consumer goods space. Management aspires to achieve consistent double-digit revenue growth, largely volume-led, in the coming years. Fabric care, dishwashing and personal care soaps to drive growth. Operating profit margin is likely to improve to 16% in FY24 due to correction in the input prices. Operating efficiencies and scale benefits would help profitability improve steadily. The company had net cash of Rs 283 crore as on March 31, 2023. Incremental cash flows will be utilized for inorganic initiatives or provide higher benefits to shareholders. Next on radar is Coforge Ltd. Our analyst maintains buy on Coforge with a revised price target of Rs 6200 as the entire stake sale by promoter Baring PE has lifted the supply overhang, shifting the investor focus on the company's consistent performance, which is likely to lead to stock re-rating. Despite persisting macro overhang over several quarters, Coforge has consistently performed with strong constant currency revenue growth rates at 2.8% CQGR. Consistent deal wins, which is average $370 million over past 4 quarters, strong executable order book, which is $897 million. We believe the company is well placed to achieve its FY24 revenue growth guidance of 13 to 16% in constant currency and the annual adjusted EBITDA guidance of around 18.3% due to the consistent deal wins and strong executable order book. We expect 16% sales and 21% PAT CAGR over FY23 to FY26 estimates. At the current market price, the stock trades at 26.6 times FY25 EPS and 22.9 times its FY26 estimated EPS. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.